Put back. Put back. To put something back to the place where it belongs. If you use something, put it back. He carefully put the vase on the shelf. Turn around. Turn around. To turn in an opposite direction or position. Turn around and let me look at your back. She turned around and saw her friend. Fall apart. Fall apart. To break or separate into pieces or fragments. My old boots are falling apart. Their marriage finally fell apart. Run over. Run over. To hit and drive over someone or something with a vehicle. I accidentally run over a cat last night. A girl was run over by a car. Run over. Run over. Of a container and its contents, to overflow. The bath is running over. The water is running over, quick, turn the taps off. Turn on. Turn on. To start the energy, switch on. It is too dark in here. Let's turn some light on. I sat down and turned on the radio. Turn off. Turn off. Stop the energy, flow, switch off. Turn off the alarm, it's so annoying. Turn off the TV, please. Throw away. Throw away. Dispose of. I threw my old things away when I cleaned up the house. Don't throw away your old shoes, give them to me. Doze off. Doze off. To start to sleep, especially during the day. He dozed off during the film. Sorry, I must doze off for a few minutes. Break down. Break down. Stop functioning. My car broke down and I had to push it. Our washing machine broke down yesterday and flooded in the kitchen. Break in. Break in. To enter a building illegally, usually by damaging a door or window, for the purpose of stealing. The burglars broke in through the window. Somebody broke in last night and stole all my earrings. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cause someone to feel happier and more cheerful, become cheerful. Flowers always cheer up a room. I cheered her up with expensive gifts. Give back. Give back. Return something to someone who gave it to you. Please give back my dictionary. I gave the textbook back to him. Hold on to. Hold on to. To hold firmly using your hands or arms. It's very windy, you'd better hold on to your hat. Hold on to the rope and don't let go. Pick out. Pick out. To choose or select from a number of alternatives. She picked out very beautiful dress. She was picked out from thousands of applicants for the job. Run into. Run into. Meet unexpectedly. I ran into my school friend at the street. I ran into my boss at the supermarket. Pop into. Pop into. To visit briefly, usually for some purpose. I need to pop into the bank to get some money. I'm going to pop into the shop to buy some milk. Bear with. Bear with. To be patient with someone or something. If you bear with me, I'll explain. Your little sister is sick, try to bear with when she cries. Calm down. Calm down. Come quiet or calm. Just calm down, shouting and crying won't solve anything. Calm down, there's nothing to worry about. Hold on. Hold on. Used to tell someone to wait for a short time. Hold on, I'll check my diary. Hold on for a minute, I'm putting on makeup. Plug in. Plug in. Connect an electrical appliance to a plug in a socket. Where can I plug in my hairdryer? Maria filled the kettle and plugged it in. Sit back. Sit back. To get into a comfortable and relaxed position in a chair, seat. Sit back and relax, I'll clean up the house myself. He sat back on the sofa. Hang up. Hang up. To end a telephone conversation. Don't hang up, there's something else I want to say. He started shouting, so I hung up.